Hello. I hope your learning experience is going well so far. What we're going to look at here is how to graph a piecewise function, and we are going to focus on the function f of x equals 3x minus 4 if x is less than 2, and x squared if x is greater than or equal to 2. So you'll notice that there's two graphs written right below the function, and these are the complete graphs of each piece. This is the graph of y equals 3x minus 4, and this is the graph of y equals x squared. So the thing to understand about a piecewise function is that we just want a piece of each of those graphs, and those two pieces will be put together to form the graph of the piecewise function. So we're looking at y equals 3x minus 4, but only if x is less than 2. So I'm going to find the point where x is equal to 2, and that's right here. And you notice I'm going to put an open circle there because we're not including 2. So we want the piece where x is less than 2, which means we are going to only take this piece of the graph. Now when we go to put our graphs together, it's going to be important to have some key points labeled. This point right here is 2, 2, and we've also managed to include the y-intercept, which is 0, -4. So that's going to help us when we go to graph the piecewise function. Now for y equals x squared, we're only taking the piece where x is greater than or equal to 2. So if we look where x is equal to 2, this point right here is 2, 4, because 2 squared is 4. And we're only taking the piece where x is greater than or equal to 2. So we're only taking that piece that's drawn in black there. So to put these pieces together, we're just going to make a rough sketch here. I'm just going to zoom out just a little. So we have the point 2, 2 as a key point because that's where the first graph ends. And it's also passing through 0, -4. So our first piece looks like that. And then our second piece starts at 2, 4, so just 2 units above the open circle. And it curves upward from there, just like y equals x squared did. And that is the graph of our piecewise function.